So welcome back to my channel, and now I would like to show you how it is in this place. So I was taking some pictures, so I came a little bit up, but from now I have 33 minutes to record, so I don't want to waste my time and I don't want to waste your time, and I want to show you the best things what I can find on here and what I can see. Okay, let's go. There is a lot of things to see, so I will try to be fast as possible because we have to walk a lot. So as I said, I don't want to waste too much time because I have only 30 minutes to record, so I have to move. It's absolutely amazing here. Plus, apart from my from being fast, is slowly but is getting already darker. So moving faster will help me to record everything what is possible, and you guys can see as well. Beautiful. Good man. So let's start the biggest part. So let's go. We have to move. It's getting dark. This is the beautiful place. Absolutely amazing. I'm not sure how long is this way, but I have to move because I want to record everything, and unfortunately I waste some time because of eating. And what's next? Okay, let's choose this side. So let's go. I have to be even faster than I was thinking, and I think because I am late, I think my video will not be so perfect in this tunnel because there is not enough light. Sorry, there's not enough light, but hopefully I can record enough for you guys so you can see beautiful things. Now we are going out, so it will be much better. Yes.
Made it all the way up here.
Oh yes, much better. Now we continue. We get into this one. This one looks larger. So we have more light. Unfortunately, I didn't think about this. So now I have to. I don't like this. I fucked up. But you still can see many things as I started. So we are in the tunnel. Thank you. That was the biggest surprise for today to show you, but I fucked up unfortunately.
No, way back.
It is what it is. I have to be fast. For me, the light is okay. Here we have more light because they turn on the light, so it's not so big problem. But the first wave of my video is a little bit dark. If you don't use camera, the light is still okay, so it's not dark at all. But on the camera looks dark. This is what you can see here. Let's check. If it's too dark, I will stop recording, and I apologize for my mistake, because this was my biggest surprise in the end of the day. So it looks like it's getting darker and darker. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy it. I'm sorry for this big mess what I made. I fucked up unfortunately, but at least I could show you partly what I was preparing for today, end of the day. So push like please, comment and share. Thank you and have a good night.